Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Samsung EcoBubble washing machine is displaying error code OC or 1C. Error codes appear on your washing machine's display and indicate that there is a fault with your appliance. These error codes usually mean that the machine is overfilling with water. If yours is displaying either of these error codes, you will probably have noticed that the water level inside the drum is higher than normal. The usual water level in the machine should be just above the bottom of the door glass here. If it's any higher than that, it may indicate that the pressure switch has failed. The pressure switch's job is to monitor the water level inside the machine. It then communicates with the PCB to tell it to stop filling the machine. Now I'm going to take you through some checks in this video to identify whether the pressure switch is the problem and show you how to replace it. Before carrying out any work, make sure your washing machine is turned off and fully disconnected from the mains. The tools you'll need for this job is a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of pliers. I can then start by removing the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws at the back. With the top off, here we can see the pressure switch. Now I need to remove it from the cabinet by pinching the two sides of the clip that hold it in place. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help you with that. Then I need to make sure there's no blockages in the pressure pipe. So remove the Jubilee clip, take the pipe off the switch, and then blow into it to remove any blockages. If you've checked for any blockages, next check for any damage or wear and tear to the pipe. If there is damage on the pipe, it will need to be replaced as it won't be able to regulate the air pressure properly inside your machine. Now you've checked there's no damage or blockages in the pipe, the problem will lie with the pressure switch itself, so that needs to be replaced. Very easy to do. Simply unplug the electrical connection, grab your new pressure switch, reconnect the electrical connection, and then the pipe. To find the correct pressure switch for your washing machine, you're going to need your make and model number. See our video here on how to find the model number of your appliance, and check the link in the description below to find pressure switches on the eSpares website. Once you're happy that the pressure switch is connected to the pipe and the electrical connection properly, you can then clip it back in to the side of the washing machine and refit the top. Now that your pressure switch has been replaced, your machine should be fixed and the error code should have disappeared. Now that your machine is up and running again, why not make it more efficient by using one of these brilliant Ecoegg laundry eggs instead of your usual detergent? They smell great, they come in 3 different fragrances, they cut down on single-use plastic, and they can save you money too. Check out our video down here for more information. For further tips and advice on how to fix and maintain your household and garden appliances, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.